In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet appear smaller, allowing you to view more columns and rows on your screen at once. If you ever find yourself feeling cramped by the sheer number of details you're juggling in Smartsheet, then this tutorial is tailor-made for you. Another valuable reset feature will be covered that allows you to quickly revert back to the default view whenever you need to. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, we will focus on how to zoom out in Smartsheet. This technique is especially beneficial if you have numerous columns and rows and you want to visualize them all without the constant need to scroll. If you're using a Windows computer, the process involves a simple keyboard shortcut. You can reduce the size of the content on your screen to fit more data by holding down the Control key and then pressing the key, also known as the minus key. This combination will gradually zoom out your worksheet, shrinking everything down just a little at a time. For those of you who are Mac users, the process is similarly straightforward. Hold the CMD key and then press the Point key to the same effect. This nifty little trick should help you achieve a more comprehensive view of your spreadsheet, aiding in managing your data more effectively. Now, it's completely normal to eventually find yourself wanting to return to the default view. After all, you might just want to focus on a specific part of your sheet or prevent your eyes from getting strained by squinting. Rest assured, this is easily achievable. When using a Windows machine, you can quickly reset the zoom to its original state by pressing Ctrl+0 at the same time. Likewise, Mac users can do this by holding the CMD key and pressing 0. This convenient shortcut immediately reverts the view back to standard sizing, ensuring your spreadsheet looks just the way it did before you started zooming in or out. As with any tool, different people prefer different settings, so feel free to experiment a little to find the perfect balance of visibility and coverage for your work style. Remember that these shortcuts are there to make your experience more efficient and less cumbersome. The ability to adjust your zoom settings dynamically as per your need can truly enhance your workflow within Smartsheet. It brings a level of adaptability that simple scrolling cannot offer. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate through your daily spreadsheet needs. Remember, being flexible with your workspace settings can greatly improve your ability to manage complex data sets. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Smartsheeting!